friends, welcome to my channel Oracle Zone. So in this video we are going to discuss about the inbuilt function which is already available in Oracle. So in continuation of that tutorial of that Oracle database, we are going to discuss these inbuilt functions. So there are so many functions. So firstly we will going to discuss about the string functions. So today we will take few of that functions, string functions, and we will see the practical example. In previous video we have already discussed how many types of inbuilt function is available in Oracle and what is the different functions which is coming under the different categories of the function. Like in string functions we have a number functions, we have group functions. So in string function there are so many functions, multiple functions can be there. So how many functions is coming under the string functions we have already discussed, we have already listed out in previous video. What are the number functions, what are the list of that number functions, what are the date functions. So all these functions name and its category under which it is coming, that we have already seen in previous video. So guys, if you missed previous video, so you can go with that video, and if you are a new one, so you can, if you want to learn complete tutorial of that Oracle databases, so you can go through the first video and you can review all the things. So let's start it, friends. So in string functions there are so many functions, so let's come to the practical things. We have this uppercase, lower, length, translate and replace we are going to discuss. So this upper functions that we are using to make the string in upper character. For example, suppose we have one table, a student is a table name. In that we have three columns: a student ID, a student name, and mobile number. Okay, so these are the number data, these are the string values. Okay, Kumar. So these are in capital letter, small letter. So suppose in your project sometime if requirement is coming that you want to make it capital letter and then you want to store at somewhere, at some places, or you want to use that upper letter of that Kumar, upper letter of that this column values. Okay, so in that scenario how we can handle it? So we will do nothing, just we have I will just separate out. Wait, we will do nothing. Select, its query will be like select upper, and within this parenthesis, this will be the parenthesis. Okay, it's firstly just go with the syntax. Upper, within parenthesis your column name will be there, and then from table name. Okay, table name. So here this is the syntax. So in upper, what I need to mention here, which column you wanted to make as a upper character, so that column I will put here. Okay, so here I want to put std name as upper character, so I will put here this column name, from, and the table name is student, so here I will put table name. Okay, so let's execute it. Now you will see all the data of this column, is in capital letter. Let's see all the data. Okay, we have std ID, second column is std name, student name, that I am making as a upper, third is mobile. Okay, now I will execute it. See, after the execution this will be as it is. This Kumar was previously how it was. It was like Kumar, a small letter. Now it is capital in capital letter. Here it was Kumar 2, a small letter. Now it is in capital letter. Here Kumar 3, it was in a small letter. Now it is in capital letter. Same like that we have mentioned all the things. Okay. So hope you understood why we are using the upper character. Same like this we are going with the lower. Suppose this is our character, this is our values, okay, which is already in upper cases. Now you want to make it as a lower cases, means we have firstly converted lowercase to uppercase. Now again we want to convert uppercase into lowercase. Okay, so simply just we need to write here lower. That's it. This is inbuilt function. So just you need to mention your column name. That's it. Lower column name from your table name. Okay. Very simple. What column I need to put here? I need to put that column which I want to make it as a lower. Okay. Just execute it. One thing you need to see here, if I will execute select star from student, it is already in lowercase. So if I am trying to convert it in upper character, of course this will be known to you. Okay, but initial level this is already in small character. So if you want to convert in lowercase, it will be as it is because this is already in lower character. So what I will do, I will convert this column. This is in uppercase, so I want to convert this column in lowercase. Okay, so simply I will do this column I will put here. This is also one column. This is a column name. STD ID is column name. Student name is column name. This upper, this complete heading, you can see here heading. This is a column name. So this column name I can put inside of any other function. Okay, so I will put this one uppercase here, and now I will execute it. This is in lowercase. Okay, now our third function is to calculate the length. This is our student column. If you want to check what is the length of this KUMAR, this is a 5 character. So you can consider here its length is a 5. For which? For the first values Kumar. Now Kumar 2. This is a second value. So what will be the length here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. KUMAR 2. 6. So its length will be 6. 5, 6, 6. This will be some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. Okay, so we have also one functions through which you can find out what is the length of that string. So its syntax is very simple. Just you want to put select length and column name you need to put here. That column you need to put here on which you want to calculate the length. You can put stdi, you can put any column, you can put this one. Okay, so I will execute one simple example. Okay, you can see length here. I will execute it. What was the length of this first one? 5. KUMAR. Second one was Kumar 2. KUMAR 2. That should be 6. This is 6. Right? Now we'll see together. So you will understand more better. Just execute it. Kumar. What I did here, select column name and our calculated column name, length. One column, this is our second column from table name. Okay, so I have executed this one. What length function is giving? Kumar. It is giving the length of that Kumar. Okay, length of that string, length of that complete string. Now see on the last point. Actually in our existing table there was no any data there. Okay, null value was there. So that's why null means undefined, you can say, undetermined, you can say. So there will be no any length. If you want to, just you mention, if you want to calculate, do any operation, any manipulation on the null values, you will always get the null values. Okay, you will always get the null value. I hope length is also clear. So upper is we are using for to convert in upper cases string value, lower to convert the string value in lower case, length to calculate the length of that string value. Now coming to the other two functions, translate and replace. As firstly we will see the replace. As name is suggesting here, replace means you are replacing something. Okay, you are replacing something. Suppose here KUM, Kumar is there. I want to replace KUM as with a different character, complete KUM. Okay, this KUM here, this is your word. Okay, so suppose you want to convert this KUM into X, Y, Z, and then remaining letter will be as it is. Okay, so how we can do this? Here Kumar 2 is there. This Kumar 2 also I want to convert. This KUM I am converting in term of X, Y, Z, and other letter will be as it is. So it will be like this. Okay, so instead of KUM I am replacing XYZ. This other AR, AR2, AR3, everything will be same as it is. This we are not going to change. So for such type of scenario we are using the replace keyword. Means replace we are using to convert any string value or part of the string value into the different string value. Okay, we can also convert this Kumar, complete Kumar, into some other name like Oracle, or you can replace this part of that string into some other word or character. Okay, so for that purpose we are using the replace. Let's execute and let's take firstly one example. So here I have written one example. Okay, select replace. Firstly just see its syntax. Replace word will be there. Okay, your column name on which you want to perform the operation. Now this will be your data, which data you want to replace. Okay, and again your new data will be there. Syntax will be like your column name will be there, on which column you want to perform. So here is I want to perform on the student name, so I will put student name here. Okay, now I want to convert which data? I want to convert KUM data. Okay, so that data I will put here. I want to convert KUM into new data, into XYZ. Okay, so I want to use a replace on this column, std name column, and I want to replace this KUM data into XYZ data. So KUM I will put here and XYZ data I will put here. Okay, so same query I have written here. Select replace student name KUM XYZ. Okay, let's execute it. You can see here. See, this is our first column, student name. This is our new column, replaced one. Okay, replaced one. You can see here KUM already replaced by XYZ. Remaining is as it is, AR, AR, AR2, AR2. Just check last three word. AR3, okay. Here at the fourth one you can see KUM XYZ replaced by XYZ, and remaining ARKM4 is as it is, okay. So what you are understanding, we are replacing complete word with the complete word, okay. Here I am not going to replace K with X, no. If you are thinking like K is replacing by X, U is replacing by Y, and M is replacing by Z, it is not like that. It is replacing complete this word with this complete word. Means if in your string it will be like this, KUMAR K. So if you are thinking your expected output should be, this will be replaced by XYZ, this will be A as it is, R will be as it is, and if you are thinking this K will be replaced by X also, so this is wrong, this will be wrong, okay. You can see here, because replace always using the complete word, it will replace only KUM value, not KUM, separate. It will not replace character by character, it will replace word by word, okay. In this you can check at the fourth one, KUMRK. See here K is not replaced, okay. Now we will see the last one, translate, and then we will see the what is the difference between replace and translate, okay. Replace, just always remember, replace always perform word by word, not character by character. But translate always perform character by character. Means if I will perform with the translate, then K will replace by X, U will be replaced by Y, this M will be replaced by Z, and again if K will be anywhere, it will be replaced by X at the string. If K is 4 times, 4 at every places, it will be replaced by X. Let's execute it. This is our without changes string values without changes, Kumar. Now I am using the replace keyword, so KUM will be replaced by XYZ, okay. Now again I want to use the translate, okay. So for your understanding, just to make the difference, I will just put here now you will find the difference. See, in the last column, here K will be replaced by X, U will be replaced by Y, M will be replaced by Z. So this first 3 output will be same. You can see the difference in fourth one. Why? Because this K is repeating 2 times, M is also repeating 2 times here, okay, in fourth one. So here you can see the difference, like in replace function, okay, complete word we are changing, means cum replaced by xyz, then again k will not be changed, m will not be changed, it will be as it is. Now in translate it will be replaced by word, not character by character, not word by word. Okay, so here k is replaced by x, u is so, and one more thing, k is replaced by x, so it will check how many k's is available in that word. So if you will see 1k and at the last one 2k, 2 times k is there, so everywhere k will be replaced by x. So here also k is replaced by x, u will also replaced by y, and m will be also replaced by z. So in this string m is also 2 times, so m is also replaced 2 times by z. So x, y, z, again ar x, y, z 4. Okay, but in replace we are using word by word, and here we are using character by character replacing. Okay, we are replacing character by character, here we are replacing word by word. If cum will not be there, it will not replace by x. Okay, so I hope it is clear with you. So for more functions, these are the few important and you can say simple function which we are using the frequently in our project. So upper, lower, length, translate and replace, these 5 functions we have covered today. So in second part we are also going to discuss some more functions, some more string functions. So just be with me friends, and if you are not like, please like and subscribe to motivate us. Okay, it will give the encouragement for us. So thanks for watching my video.